Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you how to force restart your iPhone 16. Let's get into it.
Let's start off by identifying the buttons on your phone. So you have your volume up button, your volume down button, and your silent button on the left side. We'll only be using the volume up and volume down buttons. On the right side, the button we'll be using is the side button, which is the top button there. As a quick side note, make sure to use the force restart when your iPhone is completely unresponsive. Like a frozen screen, it won't turn off normally, the apps are crashing, or it's stuck in a boot loop. Alright, so here's exactly how to force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then immediately after, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now hold the side button. Continue holding the side button for 10 to 20 seconds until you see the Apple logo on the screen. As soon as the logo appears, you can release the button. Your iPhone will now restart and boot up normally. The whole process takes about a minute. Keep in mind, if your phone is super low on battery, you'll need to plug it into a charger first. Sometimes it needs power to complete the restart.
Check out some other videos over here. I've got some Amazon links down in the description if you want to help support. Please use those links. I really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.